Vacuuming. Vacuuming. Daily vacuuming and dusting will also help cut down on irritants. Dusting. धूल झोंकना. She shook her head, free of pointless thoughts, and began dusting. Dishwashing. Bartan dhona. I'll bet a week of dishwashing that she's dumped on the bones. Deep cleaning. Gehri safai. A small budget cannot stand too many deep cleans. Replacing bulb. Bulb को बदलना. The man was changing the electric bulb on the clock. Sorting waste. छांटी करना. Little girl is sorting waste from her old toys and clothes. Laundry. धुलाई करना. We had to have the washing done at the laundry. Ironing. इस्त्री करना. He does most of the ironing and the washing up. Mopping. पोछा लगाना. She carried on mopping the floor. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos and share with your friends.